Welcome to the Interfine 2700 epoxy polysiloxane presentation. My name is Katrina Johnson. I'm the Key Account Manager for OEMs in North America and will be your presenter today. Background to Interfine 2700. Amaron introduced PSX 700 in the late 90s. A similar product was developed in the International Paint Felling Labs. Patent protection for PSX 700 blocked our introduction of an epoxy-type polysiloxane. Interfine 979 acrylic type allowed us to avoid patent violation and develop a product with similar performance and use, launched in 2001. Interfine 2700 Summary of Benefits. Interfine 2700 is capable of being applied directly to metal and has an initial gloss finish of approximately 90% sheen at 60 degrees. Gloss is retained in exterior environments as well as any finish in our current portfolio, is isocyanate-free, and has very low VOCs of 115 grams per liter. Interfine 2700 has very good resistance to chemicals and very good adhesion to aged epoxy primers, intermediates, and Dover itself. For guidance, consult the application guidelines and technical support. Interfine 2700 Corrosion Resistance. Based on internal product tests, Interfine 2700 is approved for direct-to-metal exposure in C3 environments per ISO 12944 2018 revision. The table on the next slide depicts broader perspective in more demanding and corrosive environments. Updated C4 and C5 corrosion resistance data must be developed. This will be based on customer demand over specific primers. Based on testing already performed to ISO 12944 2007 revision, there is reason for optimism. The following data for C4 and C5 environments is based on ISO 12944 2007 revision protocols. All test panels underwent salt spray and continuous condensation exposure. InterZinc 52 and InterGuard 2575 were tested using tropical cure, while the InterGuard 251HS was tested using standard cure. The table on this slide is color-coded to show which systems passed with acceptable performance and which systems passed with excellent performance. Interfine 2700 QUV-A Performance Percent Gloss Retention. The graph on this slide shows the gloss retention of Interfine 2700 when compared to other International Paint high-gloss products. The Interfine 2700 maintained a gloss level of 90% after 4,000 hours of QUV-A exposure. Interfine 2700 dry times and cure times. Interfine 2700 can be applied using either the SYA 046 standard cure converter or the SYA 056 fast cure converter. Touch dry at 77 degrees F using the standard cure converter is 4.5 hours and only 1 hour when using the fast cure converter. Technical data sheet, compatible products listed on page 3. The current technical data sheet shows a very limited list of primers, including InterGuard 2575, which has been discontinued. We are in the process of amending the technical data sheet to include all of the approved primers. For now, a complete list of approved primers is shown in this slide and can be found in the application guidelines. Interfine 2700 Color Delivery. Colors for C2 and C3 environments will be delivered by tinting at DCs and distributors using high solids colorants. A limited list of colors have already been formulated using the high solids colorants. For more aggressive C4 and C5 environments, we will need to create factory grind colors. This means the sales representatives must submit a PIF and A&O document right away when working with a customer on a new color match. We are currently stocking the Interfine 2700 in light and ultra deep bases, available in both 1 and 5-gallon kits. Interfine 2700 Summary of Benefits. Interfine 2700 is capable of being applied direct to metal. It creates an initial high gloss finish and retains its gloss in exterior environments as well as any finish in our current portfolio. Interfine 2700 is an isocyanate-free product with low VOCs of only 115 grams per liter. The product has good resistance to chemicals and very good adhesion to aged epoxy primers, intermediates, and when applied over itself. We thank you for watching this presentation and welcome your calls